Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Bishop,
And I'm Dr. Ravi Somajuru.
and we'll be your instructors for pre-calculus. So pre-calculus, in the title, gives it away. It's a preparation course for calculus. And the goal of this course is to work on essential algebra skills, concepts related to functions, going through the standard library of functions, including quadratic functions, polynomial functions, rational functions, exponential functions, and logarithm functions, giving you a sense for what these functions look like, interesting behavior that they have that are relevant to calculus ideas. And also included is a short course on trigonometry, basically the relationship between angles, triangles, and the unit circle.
The way this class will be taught is slightly different than what you might be used to. So we're going to use something what we call a flipped classroom approach. And we've tried this for a couple semesters and we found it to be quite successful. And so we're going to be teaching it using this way. So what happens basically is we're going to upload instructional lecture videos online, and you'll be required to watch them and take notes before you come to class. All right, so most of these videos are pretty short. Typically you won't have more than 6 videos. Occasionally you might have about 9. But you watch these videos, you take notes, you come to class, and then in class we're going to look at the applications of the theory that you just learned, and we'll look at more different types of problem solving. So we can spend more time on, say, word problems or other kinds of problems that we necessarily might not have time otherwise. One of the things we usually do is when you come to class, we'll have you take a short quiz. And it's an open notes quiz just to make sure that you watch the videos and you've actually taken notes. You want to add something to that?
And the goal of the videos is just to get you warmed up on the topic. That way that our in-class time is not focused on basics that you can learn relatively quickly, but to focus on the deeper, more interesting issues that come up in mathematics, to get a deeper understanding of the concepts, and to get used to speaking in mathematics and working in mathematics. 2 hours of lectures is just far too much sometimes, and so the goal of the class also is just to make sure that you learn by doing. You don't learn by watching me do it or by watching Dr. Somajuru do it. You watch it by practicing. And so the class activities are going to be focused on practicing through these things. Hopefully these videos help clarify some basic concepts. Hopefully they stand as a nice way to learn material when you get stuck in the textbook. And we hope that you learn a lot more through this method than you have from other methods.